everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Pyramid Technoplast Limited Incorporated in 1997. Pyramid Technoplast Limited manufactures polymer-based molded products, polymer drums, mainly used by chemical, agrochemical, specialty chemical, and pharmaceutical companies for their packaging requirements. IPO opens for subscription on Friday, August 18th, and closes on Tuesday, August 22nd. Allotment will be on the 25th of August, listing will be on the 30th of August. Minimum investment required is of 14,940 rupees. Price band has been fixed in the range between 151 rupees to 166 rupees per equity share. Lot sizes of 90 shares. IPO is made up of fresh issue that totals to 91.30 crore rupees and offer for sale, OFS, portion aggregates to 61.75 crore rupees on upper band price through the offer. Company is going to list on BSE and NSE. Object of the issue is to repayment and or prepayment, in full or part, of certain outstanding borrowings availed by the company, funding working capital requirements of the company, and general corporate purposes. Price to earning is 16.21, return on equity is 29.61%, earning per share is 10 rupees and 24 paise. Strengths of the company are Pyramid Technoplast Limited caters to the bulk packaging requirements of its clients from diverse industries like chemicals, agrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, lubricants and edible oil by supplying them with polymer drums, IBC and MS drums. Over the years it has established relationships with various clients across these industries and continues to serve them with its product offerings. Pyramid Technoplast Limited has successfully obtained UN certification for its IBCs and MS drums, guaranteeing that its products adhere to the stringent safety standards required for the transportation of hazardous materials. Risks involved are certain contingent liabilities that may potentially pose risks to the financial condition of the company are not fully reflected in its financial statements. In the past, the company has encountered negative cash flows, and there is a possibility that such circumstances may persist in the future, which could have an adverse impact on the business. Grey market premium suggests a listing gain of 20% to 30%. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.